Hi, in this lesson, we'll look at the simulation platform students will use to write programs in this course. Students will be developing, testing, and downloading their code to their devices from the MakeCode editor. This platform is web-based, so there will be no need to download any software. Students can write programs to test using the built-in microbit simulator. When ready, they will download their code to their physical microbit device. As students work through the course, they will need to get used to a workflow of switching between the MakeCode platform and CodeHS. Students will always start on CodeHS, where they will access all material for their course. Once they reach an example or exercise, they will be given sample code or directions for the exercise on CodeHS. If they are completing an example program, they will navigate to the MakeCode editor to paste and explore the example code. If they are completing an exercise, they will develop their program in MakeCode according to the exercise specifications given on CodeHS. Here is where they will debug their program, and once it works as intended, can upload their program to their device to test in the physical world. Once they have a program they are satisfied with, they can copy and paste their code back into the CodeHS editor so that it is saved in a place that the teacher can access. Here is where you as the teacher have a few options. You can choose to have students turn their work into you in a number of places, including a Google Drive folder, a separate class LMS, or an email. In this lesson, you'll explore these different options and plan which workflow will work best for you and your students.